Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Eero network settings securely when replacing hardware. Full guide step by step clearly. To securely transfer your Eero network settings when replacing hardware, first, start by ensuring your current Eero device is powered on and functioning. Open the Eero app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Eero account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the settings section within the app. Select network settings from the menu options. Take note of your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password, as you will need these later. Return to the main settings menu and choose network. In the network section, look for an option that says backup configurations. Create a backup of your current network settings if prompted. Now, power down your current Eero device and disconnect it from the power source. Unbox your new Eero device carefully and connect it to the power source. Wait for the LED light to indicate that the device is ready to be set up. Open the Eero app again if it is not already open. Select the option to add a new device. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the new Eero unit. When prompted, choose the option to restore from backup settings. Select the backup you created earlier and proceed with the restoration process. Once completed, your new Eero device will adopt the previous network settings. Check the connectivity status on the app to ensure that the new Eero is functioning properly. Reconnect any devices that may have been disconnected during this transition. After confirming that all settings are correct, adjust any additional preferences as needed. Finally, monitor your network performance for any issues over the next few days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.